Roosters crowing in the morning is a natural behavior that has intrigued people for centuries. This early morning ritual is influenced by a combination of biology, environment, and behavior. Here's a detailed explanation of why roosters crow at dawn. 1. Internal biological clock, circadian rhythm. Roosters, like many animals, have a built-in internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm, which helps regulate their sleep-wake cycle. This internal clock is influenced by external cues like light and temperature, allowing the rooster to anticipate sunrise. In the early morning, when the first light appears, the rooster's circadian rhythm signals that it's time to become active. This is not just about a natural instinct to greet the day, but is part of the rooster's biological programming to be alert and ready for the activities of the day, like foraging, protecting the territory, and finding mates. 2. Sunlight triggers crowing. Roosters are particularly sensitive to light. As dawn breaks and the light increases, their pineal gland, a small gland in the brain responsible for regulating circadian rhythms, reacts to the changes in light levels. This results in the rooster becoming more active, and part of this activity includes crowing. Interestingly, roosters may also crow even before sunrise, when they sense the first hints of light through the dawn's early glow. Their ability to detect light before it fully appears is an evolutionary trait that has helped them survive in the wild by being alert to potential threats as early as possible. 3. Communication and territorial behavior. Crowing serves as a form of communication for roosters. They use their crowing to assert dominance over their territory and to signal their presence to other roosters. By crowing loudly, they establish their territory, letting other males know that they are in charge of that area. This can deter other roosters from entering their domain, reducing conflict. In addition to territorial marking, crowing can also be a way to communicate with the hens. A rooster's crow can indicate that he is in good health and able to protect his flock. Hens may be attracted to a rooster that crows confidently, as it signals a strong and dominant male. 4. The morning call phenomenon. The phenomenon of roosters crowing at dawn is often exaggerated in popular culture, with the notion that they crow at the crack of dawn to signal the start of the day. However, the truth is that roosters can crow at any time of the day, not just in the morning. The early morning crowing is simply the most noticeable because it's associated with the changing of the light and the rooster's heightened activity. Roosters are also known to crow at other times, such as midday or late afternoon, especially if something causes them to feel threatened or if another rooster is encroaching on their territory.